Philip Griffith here with PSG Photo Solutions. Disaster-proof your family photos. Preparing for fires, floods, and other natural disasters involves taking steps to protect and preserve both your physical and your digital photos. Organize and digitize your printed photos, negative slides that are currently stored in albums, boxes, or frames. Use an external hard drive as a central hub for all your digital photos and keep it in a fireproof box or a waterproof container. Include a copy of your hub in an emergency kit that you can just grab and take if you have to leave the house. But you also need a cloud backup of your photo collection. You can learn more by registering at saveyourphotos.org, and as always, if you have questions, put them in the comments below so that I can help you start using your photos to tell your story so they will last for generations.